I changed my profile overview many times, so I found one structure that significantly increases hiring rate. And I will show you how to write it today. I used this exact structure to turn a cold Upwork profile into real income, raising my rate to $100 an hour and earning over $500,000 on the platform. There is a simple twist most freelancers miss, and once you hear it, you'll never write your overview the same way again. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. First, steal this layout. It's battle-tested and fast. Start with the bold client's first intro that grabs attention. Follow with what you can do for them, what makes you different, then close with how you can help right now. Keep social proof and tools at the bottom, and end with a clear call to action. Keep it tight and readable. Don't use Unicode bold and emoji confetti. Clients want clarity, not cartoons. Later in this video, I'll give you the 12-word line I add at the end that lifts replies. Don't miss it. And before we break down the profile overview into detailed sections, I need to tell you that I put together a free guide to help you grow your freelance income. Grab it in the description. And if you're enjoying this, please like, subscribe and write a comment. It really supports and keeps the channel going. For extra support and a private growth club, check out my Patreon, link below. Now the profile overview section. Section 1, the opener. Ask yourself, if your ideal client only read the first 2 lines, would they instantly know you solved their problem? Try next. I help niche get specific result with specific skill. Don't write a life story, write a promise. Pay off you hook scanners in 2 seconds, which is most clients. Section 2, value bullets. List 3 to 5 services tied to outcomes, not tasks. Landing page redesign that lifts conversions beats I designed landing pages. Add one differentiator: speed, industry, focus, or a process. Pay off you make it easy to imagine hiring you today. Section 3, social proof. This is where trust clicks. Drop one credibility line. Top 1 in my niche, or build more than 50 websites from scratch, or simply put your most valuable Upwork feedback from a previous client. If you're new, use project outcomes or client quotes from previous work. Reviews change everything. I started at the average $20 an hour just to stack wins fast, then raised from there. Section 4, stack the proof with tools and tech. Short, clean list. Platforms, frameworks, certifications. Use standard keyboard symbols to guide the eye, no emoji parade. Pay off your profile looks scannable and serious. Let's tackle the big problem. Most overviews are wordy or vague. Hardworking, passionate, creative. None of that gets hired. Clients scheme. They want results, proof, and next steps. Use short paragraphs, short lines, and outcome language. If you feel the urge to add 12 emojis, don't. Now the development. Make it yours. Add a micro case in 1 sentence. Redesigned a Shopify homepage plus 28% checkout rate. If you're new, use a personal build or free demo. I did early projects at a modest rate just to earn trust. Then scaled my price after reviews piled up. That momentum is how I reached $100 an hour. After that, add this 12-word line at the end of your overview to increase hiring rate. Tell me your goal and deadline. I will outline the first 3 steps. It's specific, low friction, and invites action. Clients love clear next moves. Let's summarize. Keep your overview simple. Promise, proof, services, stack of tools, clean CTA. Try different variations and refresh them monthly. When you nail clarity, clients stop scrolling and start talking. And if you want the next step, watch my next video, Why No One's Hiring You. Fix your Upwork profile now. It pairs perfectly with this and shows examples you can copy tonight.